I've never seen this for soccer fields. Well, you got a little seating area there, a little stadium seating, but covered benches, or picnic tables, I should say. A moment to breathe and drink my coffee in the morning. It's such a beautiful morning, I stopped at this park to do some walking. I am at the Lovers Lane Sports Complex. This place is amazing. It's huge. It's back there. There's a fire station back there, plenty of parking. Soccer fields on either side. And it was built, it said 2017. It's got walking trails. People are out with their pets, walking and jogging. And look at this gorgeous playground over here. Love the colors of it, but it looks so brand new. It says here at Bowling Green Parks and Recreation, we believe everyone plays and everyone plays together. It is our goal to help all individuals communicate during their play experience in our park. Oh, it's like, it looks like sign language on here. That's interesting. The equipment here, the play equipment, is designed for 2 to 5 or 5 to 12-year-olds. I get that. I love these swings over here. There are benches that swing. Just all kinds of interactive play equipment. We didn't have this kind of a playground when I was growing up, for sure. Over here, I bet that's some sort of concession stand. It's closed right now. See these windows that open right there? Got some drinking fountains, got the bathrooms. And look at this. I've never seen this for soccer fields. Well, you got a little seating area there, a little stadium seating, but covered benches, or picnic tables, I should say. At first I thought they might be solar panels up there, but they didn't do solar panels. They probably should have. That would have been awesome. I've seen that at parks, where the solar panels are on top of the pavilions. And it helps to light up the whole park, you know, at night or early mornings. So I thought that was really cool. I am getting my steps in today. My plan is to walk up this way, over, and come the whole way back around to the parking lot. It was such a lovely park, and I only walked around part of it. You definitely want to stop here if you're in the Bowling Green, Kentucky area. Please subscribe and put any comments down below. Thanks for watching.